Jack, calm down. He's got stitches, Bubba.
No, Jack, please keep running. You're fat. No, we're not doing frisbee. We're not doing frisbee.
JJ, you're just excited.
We already played frisbee.
Good boy.
Good boy, Brutus. Bailey.
When did they stop doing that head knocking thing? Oh, we got it going on again. Careful. No, I just don't. It's the stitches. I'm not worried about him hurting.
Hey,
Jack, no, baby.
Sadie, stop being grass.
Jeez. Well, he's so excited. Oh, Sadie, you're hitting me with your tail, sweetheart. Brutus. Hi, Bubba. Brutus, who's a good boy. Say, I am. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Oh, there he goes. He's just so chill. Hey, say, be careful. Jack.
You know, you can just watch male dogs or any male animals and see how they compete with each other.
Mhm.
And you can just tell how stupid men are.
I completely agree with that. Aww. And by the way, I got that on video, and so whenever you do something stupid, I'm gonna play the video. Remember, you said it. Bailey. Good girl.
And honey, after our marriage, I'm pretty sure we've already established that men, especially me, are stupid.
Oh, they're so cute.
And
Careful.
future kids, if you ever hear this, if we have kids, Daddy was insane when he said this. So.
Oh, Lord.
It does not count.
Excuses.
I had a sudden case of dementia.
Aw, look at them. They're doing so cute together. We gotta check his incision when they're done playing, seriously. I'm like worried now.
Nah, he's gotta go.
Hey! Sit down, wait. Sadie! Sweetie, you're too big right now. Bailey just went after the camera. Hey, Missy.
Are you playing shark? Not a great way to go after the camera.
Yes.
Huh?
They're so cute.
How did
Bailey.
you get that fast, Jay?
Hey, this is good exercise for him. Bailey? Oh.
Should have named him Speedy Gonzalez.